Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel at Lisa J's World. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for subscribing, and if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and then hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, so today's video is an impromptu video, and when I say impromptu, meaning what I have on today inspired this video. I said, you know, you haven't done a video in a while. This would be a little nice mix up, doing something a little different. So what I decided to do was gather some items together. They're not in no particular order. They're not because they're my favorites, although they are some of my favorites. There's just a few handbags I'm going to mix and match with a few over pieces. So now where I live, almost around the US, it is fall, and so where I live, the weather is overpiece weather, poncho weather, light jacket, shacket, blazers, moto jackets, things like that. So I have so many of those items, and so I got a few new pieces from Eloquii. I got a blazer, I got a shacket from Sam's Club, and also I got a moto jacket from Sam's Club. But I got this, I think, last year, and it was like only $15 for the jacket. So this outfit that I have on today, I have on some gym shoes, aka sneakers, aka kicks. I have on some New Balance gym shoes that I just got from DFW. They're black with a little cheetah print. I can actually take one off so you can see. This is what I'm wearing today. And I have on some light wash bootcut jeans and just a regular crew neck top from Time and True in the color Rust. Time and True is a brand from Walmart. And so let's get into this video. So I'm going to show you the bags. I'm going to feature some of them. A couple of them you've seen, a couple of them you haven't seen. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to insert some mod shots of the different ways that I styled them. So stay tuned, guys. If you're interested in that, keep on watching, and don't forget to hit that like button. All right. Okay, guys. So first up is a bag that I wore I wore this so much in the summertime, this past summer. I actually initially bought this bag to be a fall bag, but it seems to be an all-season bag whenever I feel like I want to wear it or coordinate it with something in my wardrobe. So, and first up is my Coach Dempsey Carry All with the patch, with the varsity stripe. So yes, so like I said, you've seen this bag already. So I have done a couple of videos on this bag. And so next up is another one you've seen. It is the Drawstring Coach Bag. This is another Dempsey item. As you can see, I like the Dempsey collection. So this is a crossbody and a top handle bag, which I adore so much. Okay, now we're going to get into the two bags that you haven't seen, and that is first another Coach, which is the Coach Dempsey Carry All with the patch, and this is black color. This is a pebble grain. It's like a small little top handle satchel tote for me. I actually have been carrying this one, so I have some items in her already. So it comes with a zipper pocket, and it's a magnetic closure. And then on the other side, you have 2 pockets. And so in this pocket, I just have some things I want to stand up, my lip glosses, a pen, a potpourri spray, and in the pocket, this other pocket, I've been putting my phone in that pocket, and which is the Samsung Galaxy Note Plus, 10 Note Plus. And so I have a few items in here. Let me see. The style number is C2004, and it is, they say, the leather Dempsey Carry All. You probably can't see it because of the glare. Oh, that might be it. Okay, so I have my business journal I've been carrying lately, another little notepad, some sunglasses, my small Dooney wallet, a lotion, which I can put in this pocket since the phone is not there, a pen, which I'll stick back in that tall pocket, and a file. I took the tag off of here because I didn't want it to fall off. My contacts, and a mask that I wore. Okay, so that is what I had in this bag. The zipper pocket, I had my mirror, my dental picks, and some eye drops. So that's what I carried in this bag, and I'm actually going to switch into the green drawstring bucket one after this. All right, everything is back inside. So I really like this one. I forgot to mention it has feet at the bottom, and what you see, the light is shining on it, but it does have a sheen to it without the light even shining on it. And I really love this part about it is that because the magnet stretches and because it's leather, I love how it just closes up. So that's that one. And so this next one, this is last but not least, and you guys haven't seen this one either. This is my new large Hattie in the color Chestnut. I haven't worn her yet, but I definitely wanted to add her into the mix because of what I had put together. I got her in the summertime when it was on sale. I can't even remember what the sale was, but it was a great sale. And I went on ahead and pulled the trigger on the large Hattie because I really love the smaller version of this bag. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love the larger version of this Hattie. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this part of the video. And so what I am going to do is insert some mod shots, and I hope you enjoyed that. All right, guys, until next time, bye.